Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya, a legal intern at Lexis & Company, and my today's topic is Public Trust Doctrine. Now, what is the objective for the Public Trust Doctrine? Why it is made? Traditionally, Public Trust Doctrine was limited to protect the rights like right to fisheries, hunting, boating or standing. But in present scenario, it checks the state action for the management of the resources and is also a question in its action. It states that the state as a trustee and a state holds all the resources. It is a duty to state to preserve or prevent and protect the resources for the public uses. The state is expected to perform its positive duty. Then what is the scope for public trust doctrine? According to the Jopes-Sachs government regulation always created a public trust problem, and it occurs in various types of situations. Public trust needs the protection against the private goals, and thus it is stated this doctrine, which is delicated the mixture of the procedural and substantial protection, is appropriate for the protection from air pollution, whaling of wetlands, strip minings, allocation of resources or to private use, etc. Then what are the restrictions on the state? The public trust doctrine imposes the three types of restrictions on the government. First one is there are some resources which may not be used for any public, but it should be stored by the government for the public. And second one is these rights are gifted of the nature, it cannot be sold by the government. Third right is the property must be maintained and its adoption should not leave a private use. There are certain limits to no individual should allow to cross these limits. Now, public trust doctrine in India. First one is the public trust doctrine in India evolved through the landmark judgments. The court stated that as we follows a common law system for our constitution includes public doctrine trust. Then in this the court took a procedural and substantial rights seriously and applied this doctrine for protection of environment. Then there are some landmark judgments. First one is MI Builders Private Limited versus Radheshyam Sahu. In this case, MI Builder Limited versus versus Radheshyam Sahu, the court converted public trust doctrine under the right of the life and stopped the construction of shopping mall complex in a place of public garden, stating the garden as a public resource. The court observed that the park is public place and which is historical important. The court seized the public trust doctrine and MS Mehta case was a precedent. The court that allowing the construction will deprive the public of the quality of the life stated under Article 21 of the Constitution, and the court put the government under this obligation that the maintenance of public parts of the citizens and the government obligedly under these duties and public trust doctrines which is applicable in India. Then the court that states that the public trust doctrine is derived and involved under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution and it is evoked in public to protect the fundamental rights of the people. Thank you.